If this message reached you, it's not by accident, it's alignment. Welcome to the Saturn conjunct Neptune in Aries healing portal, where discipline meets vision, where spirit meets action, and where you are no longer allowed to sit on your potential. This is not just about dreaming anymore. It's about becoming. Because Saturn asks you to take responsibility for the life you say you want, while Neptune is dissolving every false identity, every doubt, every fear that told you you couldn't have it. And Aries is saying now, move, choose, become. This is the energy of embodiment. This is the energy of self-leadership. This is the energy of turning vision into reality. And as we move through this portal together, I'm so excited to share that this energy has birthed something powerful. My new single, I Am the Dream Becoming True, will be released on all platforms this week, the week of April 20th. This song is more than music. It is an activation. It is a declaration. It is the sound of stepping fully into who you were always meant to be. As you listen, as you align, as you walk this journey with me, know this: you are not waiting on the dream anymore. You are becoming it. Let's step into today's portal together. Today's lesson is called Protect Your Energy Like Your Future Depends on It. And if you're here today, it's because your energy has become too valuable to keep giving away carelessly. As you evolve, your sensitivity increases. You begin to notice which conversations leave you feeling drained, which environments cloud your thinking, and which patterns pull you away from your center. This heightened awareness is not a weakness. It is a sign that your intuition is sharpening and your spirit is asking you to become more discerning about what you allow in your life. Saturn conjunct Neptune in Aries teaches that spiritual growth is not just about opening your heart and expanding your vision. It is also about learning how to protect your peace with maturity and intention. Aries reminds you that you have the right to choose what enters your energetic field. And Neptune helps you feel what is aligned and what is not. Saturn asks you to honor that knowing by creating clear boundaries and understanding by consistency. The more you protect your energy, the more focused, powerful, and aligned you become. So today's lesson invites you to recognize that your energy is one of your most precious resources. The illusion dissolving here is the belief that you must always be available, agreeable, or willing to carry what belongs to others. In truth, every time you overextend yourself, you weaken the energy needed to build the life you are creating. Pay close attention to what leaves you feeling heavy and what restores your sense of peace. This is not about shutting people out or becoming guarded. It is about honoring your own well-being enough to choose what supports your highest good. When you protect your energy, your mind becomes clearer, your intuition becomes stronger, and your actions become more intentional. And before you go, I want you to just let this energy settle into your body, into your spirit, and into your knowing. Because what we've just moved through together in this third phase of Saturn conjunct Neptune in Aries healing portal, this isn't just information. This is activation. This was alignment. This was you stepping into the truth of who you are becoming. And understand this, nothing here stands alone. Every weekly collective reading, every Saturn-Neptune cosmic reading, every healing portal lesson, and every activation, every message, it is all intentionally designed to work together. This channel was created as a full alignment system for the collective. The weekly readings show you what's unfolding. The cosmic readings show you why it's happening. And the healing portals guide you through how to embody it. So you're not just receiving messages, you're transforming through them. This is how we align, and this is how we evolve. And if you've been feeling that energy, this energy deeper, if something inside you has been activating, calling you forward, asking for more clarity, more direction, more personal truth, then that's your invitation. Because if you want to go deeper into your specific journey, your specific path, your specific alignments, you can book a personal video reading with me. That's where we tap directly into your energy, your timing, your soul's message. And those readings are powerful because they're yours. Now, also, we are still building momentum around the new single, I Am the Dream Becoming True. This is not just a song. It is embodiment. It's an embodiment frequency. It's an activation. So I want you to join the movement. Find the song on your favorite platform. Feel the energy and post your video, dance, vibe, expressing yourself. And tag me so that I can see you stepping into your truth. We are turning this into a full collective activation because you are the dream becoming true. And before you go, ground yourself, place your hand over your heart, and take a deep breath in and inhale. And then exhale slowly. Feel your presence. Feel your power. Feel your becoming. And remember, this message has reached you because the universe has been trying to get your attention. And now you're finally aligned. You're aligned to hear it. So be gentle with yourself because life is about the journey, not the destination. And I'll see you on the next alignment.